we can do this whole thing.
Alright, we're going to do this one. We're just doing one room.
Yeah,
So,
one quick one.
it's not going to take very long. Somebody bumped into one of us outside and said, hey, can you do my bedroom real quick? And we said, oh, sure. We weren't going to do anything the rest of the day, but
yeah,
you know, just a target of opportunity.
Well, we do a lot of jobs we can't video, so...
Yeah, we decided to just video this real quick because the guy emptied the room out for the most part. He took his bed and everything out. And
yeah, so it's
most of the time in bedrooms, there's just not enough room to make a video.
Usually there's real bad overhead lighting, and this time it's a little better.
Yeah, it's not perfect.
It's not perfect, but it'll do the job.
It'll do till something better comes along, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So, the video is going to be pretty fast once we get going. I'm going to put in the video description, if you look down there, I'm going to put the information on the Oreck. If you want to, there'll be a link there if you want to get one. And I'm going to put information on the bonnets we're using and stuff like that, so you can go check those out. We're using an aftermarket one made by Challenger. And we've been given some by Corey Thibodaux, who sells for them.
CarpetMuscleTV.
Yeah, CarpetMuscleTV, if you watch his YouTube channel. And he gave them to us for evaluation. It was really nice of him. He sent us a Challenger pad driver and about 8 pads that we could try out from the Challenger's new pad line. So, you know, so far we like them. We're going to try to use them as much as we can. Okay, now, oh, hold on a second. You can see it's a really, really thin, like a cotton bonnet. Is this a blend? It's a 50-50?
It's a 50-50 polyester cotton.
Yeah, so it glides well. Cotton ones, when they're 100%, the only problem is they get hot and they can burn out. And so if you could blend in some polyester, it makes them spin a little bit easier. They don't get so hot and they don't burn out as fast. If you use these on like a commercial glue down carpet, you can wear holes in them pretty fast. So this is a cut pile carpet, so it's fine. It's got that little bit of cushion in there.
You want the polyester blend because cotton absorbs good, but
poly spins good.
Polyester makes the bonnet last a long time, and it makes it spin a lot faster on any machine, not just Oreck's, on any machine.
Oh, let me show them real quick.
What?
This is just a handle off of like a cart or something.
Yeah, and
then we just stick it on here, and it helps.
It helps to wrap the cord.
It helps hold the cord.
The cord wraps are a little small, these things.
We don't wrap the cord around the bottom and the top. We just loop it over the top. And
well, the cord wraps they make on these are great for the 30-foot cord they make on the homeowner cord, but on the commercial model we use,
yeah, 50-foot cord's too much.
Yeah, the cord wraps are a little bit imperfect, but that extends them just a wee bit for us.
Now I hope the lighting's okay in here. It looks cloudy outside because they've put these really dark shades up on the windows around here. Actually just lines. Screens. Screens is the word.
Yeah,
and they're made to keep a lot of the sunlight from getting in. It's really hot this part of the country, so it keeps a lot of the sunlight from coming into people's places and makes their utility bills a little more reasonable. So also makes it hard to see outside. It looks like it's cloudy outside on a sunny day. I think this carpet's probably 2 years old, 3 years old, maybe.
Maybe.
This is a guy that's lived in this apartment for over 20 years. They finally gave him new carpet and floors after he'd been here a long time. So
yeah, he was here 20 years. They said they replaced his carpets for him. So that's what he's got is a new carpet.
now they switched to a cheaper grade of carpet. So the problem is a lot of the carpets they're buying now in this complex, they don't hold up very well, and you really can't clean them. So you know, that's the thing. This carpet seems to be okay, but after about 6 months they have permanent traffic damage in them and things like that. So you know, the carpets they put in 20 years ago were actually a little bit more durable carpets.
Now we apologize for not putting up a lot more videos, but if I tell you the truth, we shoot in a lot of terrible places, and either the customers are weirdos and don't want to shoot video, or they're just so dark that you can't make a video because the houses are dark on the inside. We're in Central Texas and it gets hot enough here. A lot of people,
They black out their windows
yeah,
and
they
stuff.
like to keep the place blacked out for
Just to keep it cooler a little bit.
Keep it cooler and stuff. So, and we don't shoot in dark areas. Not really. I mean,
We try not to. This is
special to get us to shoot in a dark area.
Yeah, this is even a marginal lighting condition here. It may look bright on video, but that's just because our camera is going to boost everything up to try to compensate, and so it's going to distort. Like, you probably won't see the carpet in the actual shade that it actually is, and some of the things in here, like the spots and everything, it may overemphasize them. So the stuff that you don't see with the naked eye, it shows up big as daylight with the camera. So it's kind of a distortion. But
these bonnets, remember, you want a 50-50 blend. Straight cotton's fine, but 50-50 blend is better because it'll make the bonnet last a lot longer. The cotton will make the bonnet absorb just as good as if it was 100% cotton. And the polyester makes the bonnet spin fast. And the faster the bonnet spins, the faster you clean. So,
yeah, you can. It's not going to fight your orbiting motion on your machine because you're trying to get an orbit going, and it rotates. And a lot of times you put a bonnet on there, it's a little bit too aggressive, and you start to not have it orbit like you'd like. And it still works, but it doesn't work as easily.
No, all machines, I don't care how powerful your machine is, you want your bonnet to spin super fast. The faster it spins, the faster it cleans. That's physics. You want to argue that? Okay, I ain't a scientist, but I'm right on this, so stick to the 50-50 blend bonnets. That's it.
Alright, not much to this one. Just one little room. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's not very long.
For those who want to see.
Oh.
Just
Yeah, it got kind of dark.
It's not dark looking in here, but boy.
It picked up some dirt.
That's to see if it went through the other side. Not too bad. A little bit. But yeah, there you go, man. That's even in a place like this, I mean, these bonnets, the cotton, the polyester spins fast, the cotton absorbs everything. So
one nice thing about
there you go.
One nice thing about this blend is we can clean these bonnets up pretty good. The cotton bonnets are kind of hard to clean. It takes a while to get them, lightened back up again, but these clean up pretty easy. They're real easy to clean. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. And
all right.
Till next time, thanks for watching.